I need to get up and get some BC powder. Yeah, I got a hangover. Hey. Again. My hair out. It was irritating me. I got a Gatorade. I mainly got a headache right now. They all throwing up and shit already. And you love coming here talking shit from a fake page with your whack ass. I don't even think that's you for real. Hangover. Good morning. I slept alright. Greasy food will help. I sure can't order me some Popeyes right now. Out. Yeah, I'm taking a break from drinking. I should never did that last night. My dumb ass mixing and shit. I had Taylor Port and I had E&J. Well, I had Taylor Port and lemonade first, and then I had E&J straight. Yeah. Something wrong with me. I'm sweating like devil's pussy right now. No, I ain't spinning right now. My head ain't spinning. It's just hurting right now. I've been trying to get some sleep. Till I lay down, my neck or my head hurt. It's gonna sneak up on me. I'm gonna end up dozing off. These electrical lights gonna put me to sleep. I'm gonna go lay back down though. I can drink water too, but I'm trying to drink that first before I drink. I like to drink my Gatorade first, then drink my water. Cause last time I drank water, I threw that shit up. So I'm drinking my Gatorade first, then drink the water. Yeah, I do. That's why I'm gonna go back in the living room. Hangover. That's what I just did. BC in the Gatorade. I got plenty of water too, so I gotta order some. I'm gonna wait till I get up. I'm gonna wait till I wake up. I'm gonna try to get some more sleep again. Listen, where that charger at for that phone? You gonna charge the other phone for me? Listen. Ouch. There I go. Yeah, I'm finna lay down. I'm finna lay it back down.
22.
Lisa, go charge that other phone, please.
Mama.
Oh, why you yelling?
Mama, I changed my character again. It's a robot this time.
Okay. Can you go get that charger? Lisa, can you go get that charger? Got you want to charge that black phone. Ooh. Child. This sucks. I need to slow down. He ain't playing Fortnite. I took it out. Yep, I got a whole bunch of ginger. I got a whole bunch of everything in this house right now. I've been drinking ginger ale since this morning. Since I first got up. Since I first got up. I just switched over to Gatorade. I'll go ginger ale, Gatorade, then water. I've seen some liquid IV before. Where can I get that from? I forgot where I seen it at. Yeah, it is. Ooh, ouch. Somebody said don't lay on my damn back. I hate this shit. I ain't had a hangover in so long. I'll be back, y'all. I'll be back. I'm finna try to sleep this shit off.